A high-level delegation of West African and global leaders in waste management has reaffirmed Ghana's rising status as a hub for policy and innovation in the circular economy. The delegation, led by head of the United Nations Office of Sustainable Development, Dr. Chun Kyoo Park, toured the Accra Compost and Recycling Plant at Adjen Kotoku, one of Zoomlion Ghana Limited's flagship facilities. The visit follows Ghana's recent designation as West Africa's regional hub for policy support on waste management and the circular economy. At the facility, the team witnessed how municipal waste is transformed into compost and for agriculture, while plastics are recycled into useful products such as dustbins and basins. Dr. Park praised ACARP's integrated waste management model, describing it as a system that can be replicated across Africa, with public-private partnerships key to achieving the UN Sustainable Development Goals.
Payment issues, we need a public-private partnership (PPP) because not only government cannot solve every problem of the waste management. So we need assistance and we need a structure from private side to engage in those programs. That's why PPP, public-private partnership, is so important.
Other delegates, including Assistant Manager, Environmental Protection Agency Margaret Baslow, commended Jaspon Group and Zoomlion's contribution to waste management, with calls for stronger continental collaboration to tackle Africa's growing waste challenge.
I think Jaspon Group should not just be there for themselves and not just for Ghana. I think they should be able to give support to other countries and be able to support the systems that are there, those startup firms, to help them to be able to stand on their own and give them support to also follow their example. They should be able to help them move forward, upward. Other firms can be able to grow also and do better, to be able to clean the environment, because this is not just for the money. It's also to be able to clean the environment, to be able to clear waste, and able to be, because we know that waste is a resource. So everybody should be able to get something for themselves.
Plant manager Malik Gagnon added that with greater regional cooperation, donor support, and responsible waste disposal practices, facilities like ACARP would help transform Africa's waste management landscape.
What happens is that you have lesser budget in managing diseases within the communities that we operate. And so for us, government is on board. But like I said, when we expand into other African countries, we are looking at sector-specific policies that we can launch on. And so we are open to start conversations within the sub-region. The part that this project has is the job creation that comes with it. So there's some intentional social intervention that comes with the projects. So across all the project sites, you see that we employ local people, and we do what we call the knowledge transfer. Okay, so typically we bring the engineers from other countries to understudy, hands-on understudy what we do here,